I've heard a lot of people trying to sell Rolex presidents describe them as not your grandfather's watch. Well, this one is definitely not your grandfather's watch unless your grandpa was a straight up baller. This is a beautiful diamond bezel pave diamond dial with an enamel dialed center and Arabic numerals all around in this beautiful green enamel color. And as impressive as this watch is with the diamond setting, I really think the non-diamond versions of this dial are my favorite part. This green just screams money, or looks like you're at a casino, but either way, it has got opulence written all over it. This is a watch for ballers, and not only that, it's a really unique version of the day date as well. So this is not going to be like every other diamond tricked out thing you've seen. This is a really special design with a really bright color, but still the classic shape that you expect from a presidential bracelet and a gold Rolex case. This is really one of the rarest and most special examples of an iconic watch, and we've got it at SwissWatchExpo.com.